Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Looking for the perfect screen protector for your new iPhone 14 Pro and hate scratches? You might want to check out the Sapphire Screen Protector by Shellrus. It's made from 99% pure lab-grown sapphire and it's virtually unscratchable. Pretty much only diamond's going to be able to scratch it. I've reviewed this product over the past several years and have been very impressed, and this year Shellrus has a brand new installer. Let's get this installed on my iPhone 14 Pro and check it out. So looking at the contents of the box, we got a QR code which you can scan to watch the installation tutorial. We've got a set of installation tools, and we have the screen protector itself, which is pre-installed here in this install frame. And checking out the contents of the installation tool packet, we got a couple of lens cleaning wipes. We also have a large dust removal sticker, a couple of small dust removal stickers. These are going to be helpful if you get dust that is trapped underneath the screen. We've got a microfiber cloth, and then you have this little lifting tool. So this is what they want you to use if you have to lift up the screen protector in order to remove dust that is underneath it. They don't want you to use your fingernails. You're supposed to use this tool instead. So overall, really quite a complete set of installation tools. So I'm going to be installing this screen protector on a brand new iPhone 14 Pro in silver. So let's get this one out of the box. So if you've watched any of my screen protector installation videos before, you'll know that I always stress the importance of working in as clean, well-lit, and dust-free environment as possible. You want to make sure that your phone is super clean before you install the screen protector. In this particular instance, because this one is new out of the box, I'm not going to do as much cleaning as I usually do. I'm not going to use the lens cleaning wipe. I will go over this briefly with a dust removal sticker just to make sure that no dust is on my screen, but particularly if you are not coming from a situation like this, you do want to be sure to use the lens cleaning wipe to clean your screen first of all. You can dry it with a microfiber cloth and then definitely go over it with a dust removal sticker. It is a super important part of the process. Looking at our combined installer and screen protector system, this is going to fit down on top of your phone. Before you put it on there, you're going to need to remove this white backing to expose the adhesive part of the screen protector. You're also going to need to pay attention to the fact that there is a top and a bottom to this, so put it on there right way up. And then also finally, you probably want to go over your phone one more time with a dust removal sticker right before you put this on here, just to make sure that no dust has fallen down on the screen. So this white backing is fairly rigid. Peel it off carefully. And try not to let any dust fall onto the screen protector when you're doing this. Obviously, you do not want to touch the sticky side of the screen protector. So you want to carefully place the installer down over your phone, and then once it's in place, you need to press down on this circular bit to start the installation process. And as you can see, this is now mostly gone across, although we clearly have some areas where it is not fully adhered. But I think that the installation frame has done all that it's going to do. So you need to remove it. So to do that, you need to press down and hold on the circular bit and then pull up the rest of the installation frame off of here. And then you can lift up. So far everything looks good, but we do have that big bubble over here. Keep in mind, this is a really tough screen protector, so I don't think that there's any issue in using your nails. Just rub at them and they should disappear. Looking at the results, everything looks fantastic. It took a couple of minutes to rub out those few remaining bubbles. Once they're gone, everything is just great. So we got a perfect alignment on here, perfectly straight, and you have really just perfect edge-to-edge coverage here. So super thin, super beautiful, complete coverage for your screen. We have rounded edges that feel very nice underneath the fingertips. Really, everything is fantastic here. So this synthetic sapphire is going to be very scratch resistant, Pretty much the only thing which can scratch Sapphire is going to be diamond. So I think you're going to be in very good shape in terms of scratching, but keep in mind that this is not going to be any more impact resistant than regular tempered glass. So being super scratch resistant does not mean impact resistance. So you do have to be careful with this, but if scratches are a major irritation to you and you love that scratch-free look, then something like this sapphire screen protector may be perfect for you. So as far as look and feel is concerned, everything is absolutely fabulous here. You've got excellent optical clarity. This is a very responsive screen protector. We've got a good oleophobic coating on here. It feels slippery smooth underneath the fingertips. It's a little bit cooler feeling than regular glass, which is kind of cool. And again, so thin, it really looks like you don't have a screen protector on here at all. So just a lovely screen protector here from the folks at Shellrus. Really a pleasure to have on the phone. So given the exceptional edge-to-edge fit of the screen protector, you might be wondering how it's going to fit with cases. So let's check it out with a few. So I've got the Gear 4 Denali Snap, the Mous Limitless 5.0, the CASETiFY Impact, the Apple Silicone, and the OtterBox Symmetry Series Plus. Let's see if these guys fit. Starting with the Apple Silicone case, here in the pretty elderberry color. Looking at this one. Got a great fit here, not a surprise. Edge to edge fit. Everything looks just beautiful. OtterBox Symmetry Series Plus. So we got a fantastic fit here with the OtterBox Symmetry Series Plus. I mean, this is practically the definition of edge to edge. Fantastic fit. Looks great. Mous Limitless 5.0. Let's see how this one works. And we have another Triumph. Absolutely lovely fit here with the Mous Limitless 5.0. Edge to edge perfection. CASETiFY Impact. Again, everything looks great with the CASETiFY Impact, no issues. Perfect edge-to-edge fit. And finally, the Gear 4 Denali Snap. And the result is splendid. So even though this screen protector is edge-to-edge, it's clearly going to fit with a whole bunch of cases. Maybe not all cases. I would say probably definitely not all cases, but I think a lot of cases are going to fit really well with this. Certainly the 5 cases that I looked at all fit great. Overall, just a beautiful screen protector. Again, we've been looking at the Sapphire Screen Protector by Shellrus for iPhone 14 Pro. This product is available directly from Shellrus and is priced at $83. There is an anti-spy version available for $3 more at $86. You can save money on your Shellrus purchase by using the promo code you'll find in the description below. Many thanks to the kind folks at Shellrus for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below and I'll do my best to answer them. And do consider hitting that subscribe button because I've got a lot more tech accessory reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.